Hello everybody, welcome back. Let's have a look at some of these coins then, shall we? We'll have a look at XRP, we'll have a look at Bitcoin, and it's been a beautiful 3 days worth of trading, and there's plenty more to come. Whether that's up or down, who really cares? It's all money in the bank. I've been using Bityard over this last 24 hours exclusively because they've been giving 0% fees on margin trading, which is, if you don't know what that, if it's hard to put that into context, that basically means that you're straight into profit straight away. You don't have to make up that fee. For example, if I put $500 worth of margin into this trade now, so we're going to go short on Bitcoin just for a sake of example, we're using the demo account here. I have to make up $25 before I'm actually in profit. So we're just to put it in context, here we go. So we've started the trade. We're already $25 down because that's the fee. I need to make up $25 before I'm actually in profit. This better be one epic trade. Anyway, you see where I'm going with that. You know, when you don't have any fees involved whatsoever, every single tick in the right direction is profit to you. You don't have to make up anything to the exchange. Anyway, I've rambled on long enough, but there's a referral link obviously at the bottom of this video. You got to get yourself on Bityard, at least for the Fridays. Absolutely been killing it today with that. It makes such a big difference. Anyway, let's have a look at Bitcoin first then, shall we? So Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin daily here. So what we've been looking at now is this trend line here, which is, it's a bit rough and ready, but basically this trend line here dictates the bull market. If we break above here and close above here, there's a very strong chance that we make big bold moves up and away at that point thereafter. So you can see that we rejected here, supported here, rejected here, supported here, rejected there, rejected there and there, and now we've been broken above it, and it would appear that, and again, this trend line is very rough because it's over 3 years long now, so you can't get something like that specifically to the tick. It'd be very difficult to get that to the tick, but roughly speaking, this is where that trend line lays, and what it looks as though is happening here is that we're finding support on it. So what that means is, if we have found support on it, this is what the sort of thing that we're looking to see afterwards. So this is what happened last time we broke above it here, and then just launched from it here. Obviously there was a bit of a FOMO event after that, and it kind of destroyed itself again. The first time we launched above it here, boom, down to test it, up, down to test it, and away. And then on the consolidation down, we came down to get supported on it. So it's a very, very relevant trend line, and one that I hold a great deal of weight to. And at the moment, it looks as though we're trying to confirm that as support. And I'd probably say it's almost confirmed as support. So the big move for Bitcoin is pretty much ripe. So you want to get on the right side of that big move. So whichever exchange you want to use, go for it. I would definitely suggest Bityard. Absolute beauty. So that's where I stand with Bitcoin. If we break down from here, then obviously the bull run is postponed until further notice, but at the moment we're being supported on that trend line. I have to accept that is a likely scenario now, that we will make a big move from here. Now, how far can we move realistically? The RSI here is very high, it's cooling off, it's coming back down, so realistically it can make a big move, but if it did, it would come down dramatically after that. So you have a big opportunity to short it, I'd say, from that top, wherever that might be. We might be talking 14,000, we might be talking to 16,000, but wherever it is, it will not stay up there, it will come smashing back down. Money flow index is still in a reasonably safe zone. In context, let's put it in context, it's very high there, but it's been a lot higher than that in the past. But when we do start to get into the extreme highs, then it would be time to come down, definitely. But for the moment, there's plenty of room to move on that one. Bitcoin can go a lot higher than that with the money flow index before it comes crashing down. Let's move on to XRP then, shall we, at the moment? So for some reason we're on the 1 minute chart there. That's not really going to tell us anything. What is going to tell us something is the daily to start with. So let's have a look at these indicators here. So these indicators look okay as far as they're ready to make another move. I'd probably say that this one is getting ready to make a big move. The move, I would probably say, is going to move us into this blue box territory zone here. Now we are being rejected from this Bollinger Band here. We need to form a breakout of there. I don't think this big move is going to happen, in the next few days or so. But given the right circumstances, those indicators are primed, but the Bollinger Band I think it needs to get a little tighter. It needs to pinch a little bit more. We are above all major moving averages at this point right now, but we could always come back down to just around 24. Don't think that's likely. I think we're going to meander around here, but we are looking for a breakout. The breakout could take place next week or maybe a little later, but it will be pretty severe when it does, because we have this it's like I can't get my words out. Oh my god, it's a bit very tired today. We have this support resistance trend line here that we've broken above, and we tested it as support, and we launched again from that. So I would say that this channel now has been broken, and now we're looking to, I suppose you could say that we're looking to accumulate. If we look at the MACD now here, that was a small period of accumulation. Now we're moving into a bit more of moving into another gear, where you'll probably see accumulation where the price action gently moves up, gently, but not dramatically, gently, but generally sideways and up, and then pretty soon, as we're crossing the 0 point right now, it's not very aggressive, but we are crossing it. It'll be primed for that move into the blue box territory. We're talking 28 to 32, probably 31, 31 and 3/4. So that is where that kind of stands. And like I say, I think the crypto market in general is looking for a bit of a pump. I think Bitcoin is probably going to take the lead, but there will be alts kicking off here, there, and everywhere. It looks to me like the top cap alts are all the ones that are going to be moving. So we're talking things from XRP to Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, basic attention token looks good, Chainlink obviously. So all of those top cap coins are the ones that can move first. All the micro cap coins are probably going to get left behind, apart from a few here and there. But things like SXP, for instance, I think that's just waiting on the sidelines now. A lot of money will pour into that at a later date. These charts are all basically following Bitcoin. The top cap coins and Bitcoin are the ones that are going to be making the move. And then after that, profits can be taken and put into these small caps, which was likely going to make even bigger moves, but on a later date. Anyway, I'll leave it with you there. Thank you for watching. Sign up to Bityard. Get ready for your next Friday 0 fee trade off. And thanks for watching. Take it easy.